Okay, I'm here with Tom Whiteley today. We're talking about contamination in pharmaceutical facilities. Contamination really can be catastrophic, and we work with companies to help them kind of solve contamination issues and get their manufacturing facilities back on track. So, Tom, tell us kind of how you've been engaged with clients in the past when they call you and say, "Hey, we've got a contamination issue. We need your help."
A lot of times, customers will come to us and they know they've got a contamination issue, but they may or may not know exactly where it is. So we'll help them determine that, as well as go through and kind of define what pieces of equipment have issues and where the scope and boundaries of the issue are, so that we can focus in on what pieces of equipment need to be addressed going forward with the issue.
Mm-hmm. All right, so most of the time they've identified probably where the contamination was. They've been able to do some technical analysis, and then so once they've kind of presented that to you, where do you go from there?
There's two things, and they sometimes happen in sequence and sometimes happen one after the other. But we'll go in and help them figure out how it got into the system. A lot of times they know it's in the system and what it is and where it's at, but they don't really know how it got there. So we'll come in and help them with that, and figure out how it got established in the system. Most places are already doing CIP, COP, whatever. They're doing some sort of cleaning already. So, not just how it got in the system, but how it got established, whether it's, there's a design issue or there's a manufacturing deficiency between how they're handling their parts or something like that, in the manual processes. So we'll help them figure out kind of how it got into the system and got established. Mm-hmm. And then the other thing we'll kind of come in and do is figure out how to get rid of it in the short term, as far as, if it's established in there, you've got to do something more than your typical CIPs. So we'll come in and figure out, based on what bug they've got or what contamination issue they have, what the best approach for removing, if it's a biofilm or it's a spore or something like that, removing that from the system and making sure the system's kind of at a clean zero state before we move anything else. And that all kind of happens pretty quickly. That's really the biggest thing, to get them back up and running.
That makes sense. And so you're working generally with the manufacturing team and the quality team at the companies that we're doing business with?
Yeah, and yes, and then that'll kind of work with the manufacturing and quality team, and then sometimes we end up bringing engineering in from a process design if it's piping. But at the end, we'll come back in and help them close out the CAPA or the whatever corrective actions they need, be it piping or handling changes with how they do their manual stuff. If they've got dead legs, if they've got things that could be improved that are, causing the issue, we'll figure out how it got in there and how to prevent it from getting back into there, so that they don't have to, they don't end up in the same place they are.
That's right. Well, that's very helpful. Well, we know this is a very critical component for food and beverage manufacturers, for pharmaceutical companies, for biotechnology companies. And so thanks for helping us kind of understand the process and how we go about fixing these problems and getting companies back on track. That was very informative. So thanks.
Yep, you're welcome.